Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video on AI. So today we'll be talking about deep research. I made a video I think a couple of days back. And just a caveat, up till now in terms of Gen AI, I've been using mostly Perplexity because I find it very, intuitive. But of late, I've started to try some of the new, the other, models as well, other applications or other open AI, sorry, not open AI, Gen AI providers such as Google. I've started with Google. Google, it makes more sense because you do your web browsing on Google Chrome. You use Gmail for communication, personal communication especially, and then if you have to store data, you use Google Photos. I rely on that. And then you always have Google Drive where you can save your personal information. So I just wanted to try Gemini, and as I said, we did a video on deep research. I thought it was an exciting application, uh, but that excitement is slowly turning into something sort of disappointment. And we will know why I'm saying about that, because I've done few researches of prompts on deep research, and it has not given me the result that I wanted, and I just wanted to share that with you. So with that said, let's look into the screen. So first of all, if you're not familiar with Gemini, Gemini is an Gen AI or large language based UI, which is or application, you can call it an application, which is provided by Google. And there are different versions of Gemini. You have 1.5 Pro, which says tackle complex tasks. Now, how do you define a complex task? This is another thing. Then you have get everyday help. Then you have get in depth answers. You have preview Gemini 2.0 Flash X, and then you have Gemini X1206. So there are different flavors to it, and it would be interesting to know which one to use when. So maybe we'll make a separate video on that. But today we're just going to talk about deep research and maybe my feedback on this. So let me just, or my very initial feedback on this. So let me just open deep research here. So as part of doing day-to-day activities at work, I also take interviews or conduct interviews, especially on PySpark. So let me give this deep research a problem statement. I want it to come up with some sample interview questions on PySpark. Let's say it does or not. Because last time when I tried it, it did not return anything of such which I wanted. But this time, let me give it a try and let's see whether it returns what we are expecting it to return. So based on what I've learned is that it is a good practice to maybe use deeply research here. Deeply research. Maybe I was not giving the right prompt previous time around, so maybe I need to refine my prompt this time. So I'm going to say deeply research and give me interview questions on PySpark, and then I can say that it should include coding as well as scenario based questions. And let me just type enter. So again, what it would do is it will generate a plan for you. Essentially, it is trying to confirm whether whatever you're asking, the plan that it has generated, is it good enough or not. So find commonly based interview website and find PySpark interview question specific. So this time again, if I compare to the previous time when I tried to find these questions, it looks more promising because now it says it will only search the websites where you can find PySpark questions. Okay, I think this looks okay. So the plan looks okay, so we can ask it to start researching. So it has started researching, so it mostly would take 2 to 5 minutes, and we'll come back and see whether it has given us the right set of questions or not. So here we are. I think it has done the research, and maybe it should give us the output. I've completed research. Feel free to ask me follow-up questions or request. So this is the list. A comprehensive guide, basic concept. What is PySpark? What are the benefits of using PySpark? What is a Spark driver and what are his responsibilities? So this looks cool. So maybe, as I said, it's all about giving the right prompt, and that is something that you will learn with time. You have to be very precise what you want and explain the difference between narrow and wide one. So let me just open it in documents. Yeah, this looks good. So maybe, as I said, it's all about giving the right set of instructions or the prompts. Because last time, when I say last time, I'm talking about 2 or 3 hours ago. So when I tried at that time, maybe I was a little more detailed, or maybe, I didn't type the right prompt. Does it maintain history of the questions asked? Let's, no, I don't think it does. Yeah, it doesn't, maintain history, but this is good. So this looks okay. So since we are talking about deep research, so this was one of the occasions, one of the occasions where I felt it did not return the right output, but this time, as you can see, it has returned the desired output. There was another instance where I was, trying to find some material, but it did not give me the right material. But maybe, I'll have to be very precise and, be very focused on what I want to ask. If I'm asking something, maybe I need to, look at it twice, thrice to see whether it makes sense and whether, the output that I'm going to get is going to be expected one or not. So since we are talking about Gemini, I just want to share another feedback with you of using it over the emails. So, one disclaimer here is I'm not looking for a job change, but I'm just trying Gemini here. So, this is Gemini in my inbox. There is nothing to hide, so I can, share it with you. But what I want to extract from this is I want to extract my resume. So, let me put uh, something. Give me my resume. Last time when I tried to search for it, it did not return anything. So it says no emails match your request, or maybe give locations resume. If my is not working, maybe locations working. Again, it has not given me anything. So now maybe I can say if resume it's not maybe searching on resume keyword, maybe it would search on location keyword. Sorry, biodata keyword, or maybe let me be more precise. From my emails, fetch the attachment which contains my resume. So now it has given all the emails where you have resume. Okay, let me do one more thing. From my emails, fetch the attachment which contains Lokesh's resume, which contained Lokesh's resume. Again, it is giving all the details which I don't want. Mm, So let me just type in here. Maybe I know it's all about trying to find the right prompt. My ish PDF. So what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to find one email which has my resume, and then maybe we can change the prompt based on that. So let me, for some time pause this. So you have to be, really precise on what you're searching. So here, what I did was when I went offline, I tried to search the name of my resume, the name of the file. So it goes by the name of Lokesh Sharma dot docs. So as you can see here, it has returned all the emails where my resume is attached. So which is good. I think uh, I would learn with time, and this would take time. It's not something that you that comes all of a sudden, that I'll be able to use all of a sudden, because it's not that intuitive. It is intuitive maybe, but you need to find the right terminologies, right verbiage around it, or right words around it, what you're trying to search. So we will continue our journey, and we'll try to learn more about AI. We are also doing one demo parallelly. I did not get time to do it today, but we will continue that tomorrow, and hopefully there would be video that I would upload. So with that, thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, put in the description box below. Again, if you want to learn on certain topics, please comment. Till then, we will see you and we will meet next time. Thank you. Bye.